Hey guys, welcome back to the channel after so long. Today we are going to dive into something that's been driving e-commerce brands absolutely crazy. High RTOs or return to origin orders. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how top 7 companies are tackling their high RTO rates. Now for each strategy, I'll cover what it is, how it's implemented, and most importantly, how it can benefit your business. But before we jump in, let's zoom out a bit and look at just how massive this RTO issue actually is in e-commerce. So brace yourselves because these numbers are wild. Like around 40% of all cash on delivery orders are returned. Then a whooping third of all the orders end up right back with the seller. Then every week this leads to an insane 20 crore rupees in lost revenue across India. And get this, less than 30% of the businesses have a solid strategy in place to manage it. Now here is a thought. Could the chaos of RTO be a carefully orchestrated opportunity for some to profit? I'm not saying it, but there's a theory that some antivirus companies might actually create viruses to stay in business. Does that make sense? Could it be that same companies offering RTO solutions might even be manufacturing the problem for you? Conspiracy theory. So yeah, I'm not saying it's 100% true, but think about it. If RTO vanished, a lot of these solution providers would be out of business, right? So I came back and I chose controversy. Okay. Anyway, regardless whether these RTO cases are manufactured or not, they're definitely a huge pain. High RTO rates cost businesses in so many ways, like high operational costs, lost revenue, blocked inventory, cash flow issues, and overall just a lot of inefficiency in business operations. But here's the good news. It's not all doom and gloom. There are some seriously effective strategies out there to reduce your RTO rates. I'm not here to tell you that these all are foolproof. Well, they aren't. Use your judgment on what's a good fit for you and your business. But I'll tell you this. We have tried these with our own e-commerce clients and results have been solid. So without further ado, let's kick things off with the first strategy from Decorfer. Yeah, that's the name of the company. Decorfer is an e-commerce brand focused on high-end home decor. It faced major issues with COD returns until it found a solution with Razorpay's Magic Checkout. With this solution, they slashed their RTO by 33%, which was kind of amazing actually. So here's how it works. Magic Checkout by Razorpay helps pre-fill customer details, disable COD for high-risk users, and spot incomplete or undeliverable addresses. And the result is Decorfer tripled their prepaid orders and cut the RTO by a third. Now, how can this benefit your business? If you use solutions like Magic Checkout, you are making the whole checkout process super smooth and practically error-proof. By targeting these high-risk users using Magic Checkout, eliminating these, you're also reducing those dreaded delivery failures as well. Now, according to an article on Razorpay, so this is basically said by Razorpay, and I'm just quoting them only. These solutions can significantly improve results, but obviously they'll say that. So, so take it with a pinch of salt and try it out, okay? It did work for us, by the way. And this video is not sponsored by Razorpay. We used it and it worked. As I said, we even tried it with a few of our clients and did see some promising results. And also, we are not guaranteeing anything. Ultimately, it is your call. Test it out and see if it works for your business. Moving on to MPL Sports. Known for its sportswear and has tackled RTO by giving customers control over delivery times. At the checkout window, you'll see that MPL Sports gives customers the option to pick their preferred delivery date and time. Now, this is a small tweak with a very big impact. Just by ensuring someone's home to receive the package can dramatically reduce missed deliveries. Now, how can this benefit you? Well, this approach can do wonders for your successful delivery rates. When deliveries match up with customer schedules, you are looking at way fewer failed attempts and happier customers too. MPL Sports might have seen some great success with it because they are not our client. All the ones which we have mentioned over here are not our clients. And when we use this with our clients, so this worked for us. So that's why we are showcasing it over here. Next up, we have the OG Myntra, one of India's largest e-commerce platforms. I think you must be aware of them. If you aren't, then I don't know what the hell are you doing on internet. So Myntra is an apparel category which has one of the highest RTO percentages. So what does it do to keep the RTO cases under check? Simple. They keep customers informed on every step of the way. They send automated updates via push notification, email, SMS, and even WhatsApp. Basically helping them with the tracking link. Okay, like where have they reached? It's really simple but powerful way to keep buyers in the loop. This strategy can be really beneficial for e-commerce companies because keeping customers in the know at every stage means fewer calls to customer service and higher customer trust overall, plus real-time updates reassure customers and reduce return rates. Also, when you are doing this, you have a lot of information about the customer's behavior, whether they are opening all those things up or not, and that should trigger your system at the back end that this person is not opening up things, so probably it might be the wrong customer, and this should give you more strategies in future. And here's a pro tip over here: set up an order tracking page on your website so customers can check it on their order anytime. It will make a huge difference in customer satisfaction and in cutting down RTO. And just think about if they're visiting that, then you have a lot of data on Microsoft Clarity. I hope if you're smart, you know what I'm talking about. Moving on, we have Minimalist, a skincare brand known for transparency. I personally love their marketing and advertising strategy. I just love it. Okay. Well, Minimalist has also tried a really cool approach to reduce high RTO, which is they have introduced an early cancellation option on their website where customers can cancel orders before they are shipped. This isn't just a nice to have feature. It's actually super strategy if you think about it. By allowing cancellations right from the tracking page, they are stopping unwanted shipments before they even leave the warehouse. This strategy saves on shopping costs, and because customers are more satisfied, return rates go down. We tried this with a couple of our clients and who were selling phone accessories, and it's been a great thing, to be honest. It's been a great tool, and it helps us avoid unnecessary returns. And next up, we'll go back to Myntra again because they have been doing this for so long that I think there are a lot of strategies, or there are a lot of pages we can take out of their book. So Myntra also found success by nudging customers towards online payment instead of COD. Right? I don't know what happened to my Alexa. Anyway, so they offer incentives for prepaid orders, which has led to fewer COD related returns and better cash flow. Now, why this strategy is beneficial is, think about it, simply because it at the very onset reduces RTO rates associated with the COD, or as you're moving to that, so obviously the RTO will be pretty less, and at the same time, it also helps improve the cash flow with faster payment processing. So there are multiple benefits. Also, here's a good rule of thumb for e-commerce brands: avoid charging additional fees for COD, which actually reduces the conversion rate. A better alternative or better way to incentivize prepaid orders is by giving discounts. So that would make more sense. Now, here's an interesting one, which is Surfire. Okay, Surfire, or I don't know how to pronounce their name. They sell premium phone covers for you and your loved ones, so single people move away. Just kidding. Okay, coming back to the point, this company added a logistic fee to every order, and it's a game changer for handling RTO. I love this strategy a lot, but architecturally it's very hard to implement. And here's how it works. As you can see on the screen, they charge a logistic fee from every customer, okay, who is doing a COD order. So customers opting for COD need to pay this much amount of extra money, which is $230 or depending upon whatever you're ordering. This is redeemable and included in the total cost of the order. This means the fee is not an additional charge, but rather a part of the whole amount, which is a payable amount. That's it. But they're charging an upfront payment over here, so that creates a psychological commitment for the customers, reducing the likelihood of order cancellations or returns. And this is one of the best. This is the best, I think. And at the same time, it helps the company keep the shipping costs. This keeps their margin healthier, not just the shipping cost, but it helps with a lot of things. Think about it. While it might seem like a bold or slightly complex move, a clear explanation on the checkout page can help customers see the value. And here's the kicker. This strategy has worked for a lot of our clients, and it kept their revenue also steady. It may not be the perfect fit for every business, but it's definitely worth testing if RTO is eating up your profits. So there you have it. These are some of the best RTO reducing strategies straight from the brands who are actually doing it right. Reducing RTO is crucial for keeping your operations efficient and your customers happy. From what we have seen, these strategies really do give great results. And now here's something I think you will appreciate. If you are dealing with high RTOs, there is a good chance you are struggling with getting your account banned as well, right? So don't worry, I have got another video covering exactly that. Click over here to access this, or maybe over here to access that video, and yeah, I'll see you in that video. Yeah. So just click on that, and let's get started with getting your account unbanned.